Friends, hi! In this video, I want to inform you about the method of tying up tomatoes and the most suitable material for this purpose. Previously, like all gardeners, I utilized twine for tying up tomatoes. However, no matter how strong it is, it only lasts for one season because it deteriorates under the influence of ultraviolet light. If left for the next year, it can withstand seedlings at first, but then, when the tomatoes have a very large harvest, the twine breaks and the entire tall tomato plant falls to the ground. And by doing this, we lose the whole harvest. Well, now I utilize metal wire in a PVC sleeve. The diameter of the wire is 1 millimeter. That's enough. I've been using these ties for over 7 years. You could say they are eternal ties. And in order to comfortably secure them, you need to first attach a thick wire to the ceiling. Mine is 3 mm thick, and it is positioned above the center of the garden bed. This is the method I use to attach this wire in a PVC sleeve. It holds securely in place and can be easily moved to the left or right without unraveling or becoming loose. It is sold in hardware stores as well as in garden stores. As you can see, I use 2 wires for 1 tomato plant because I grow tomatoes in 2 stems. In the next videos, I will explain how to do it correctly. And now I will demonstrate how to tie up with this wire correctly. Especially if your tomatoes are already as big as mine. The key here is not to twist the tomato around the wire, but instead to wrap the tomato with the wire. I begin from the topmost point and encircle the tomato plant in a clockwise direction. And now take a closer look at how it looks. Here it comes from the top and spins downwards. And then, right under the lowest leaf of your tomato plant, I simply twist the wire, but not too tightly, so as not to damage the tomato stem. Also, because the tomatoes will continue to grow, they will get thicker, so it's necessary to leave space for that. Now the tomato plant will continue to grow upwards, and next, the plant itself will need to be wrapped around the wire. I have just demonstrated the process of wrapping the first stem, and now I am showing the technique of wrapping the second stem. As I previously stated, I cultivate tomatoes using 2 stems in order to increase my harvest yield. If you also want to double your harvest, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't miss the release of the next videos. I'll explain all in detail to you, wishing you abundant harvests and a great day. See you in the next video.